Welcome back to Car Flair, where we explore the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie motorhome, an exciting addition to the RV lineup that's redefining road trips. Let's start with its design. The 2025 Minnie Winnie retains its classic profile, but incorporates modern touches that elevate both aesthetics and functionality. It's built on a Ford E-Series chassis, ensuring durability and smooth handling. The exterior features sleek lines, updated graphics, and optional full-body paint for a premium look. Sizes range from 23 to 32 feet, catering to solo adventurers and family travelers alike. To and you'll find a space that feels more like a cozy apartment than an RV. Winnebago has outdone itself with a refreshed interior featuring high-quality finishes, residential-style cabinetry, and LED lighting throughout. The layout options are well thought out, offering configurations with up to 3 sleeping areas, including a cab-over bunk, a convertible dinette, and a queen bed in the rear. The kitchen is a standout. It's fully equipped with a 3-burner stove, a microwave, a refrigerator, and plenty of counter space. Whether you're prepping a quick snack or a gourmet meal, this kitchen has you covered. Across from the kitchen, the living area provides a relaxing spot with comfortable seating and HD TV, making downtime just as enjoyable as the drive. When it comes to the bathroom, the Minnie Winnie doesn't skimp on convenience. The split design separates the shower and toilet areas, ensuring privacy and functionality. And with plenty of storage throughout the motorhome, you won't have to leave your essentials behind. Under the hood, the 2025 Minnie Winnie is powered by a 7.3-liter V8 engine delivering 350 horsepower and 468 lb-ft of torque. It provides enough power to tow additional gear, whether it's a trailer or a small car. Winnebago also prioritizes safety, equipping the Minnie Winnie with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a backup camera for added confidence on the road. With a starting price of around $130,000, the 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie strikes a balance between luxury and practicality, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to embrace adventure without sacrificing. What are your thoughts on the new Minnie Winnie? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with all things automotive here on